My name is Vikas and this is my partner Mahesh. Our project is based on energy resources and conservation. Energy. The capacity to do any work is called energy. The resources that can produce energy are two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The resources that can be reproduced easily and can be completed in a course of time are called renewable resources. And the resources which can be produced easily and they can be completed in a course of time are called non-renewable resources. For example, petrol, wood, coal, kerosene are the examples of non-renewable resources. Air, water, solar energy are the examples of renewable resources. In my project, we implemented 4 plants which produce energy by using renewable energy resources. My friend will explain some of them.
First one, wind energy. Wind energy means when the air blows, the air will touches the fans. Then the fans will rotate. It will create a mechanical energy. The dynamo in the fans will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So we can produce electricity easily and within less cost. Next one, geothermal energy. We know that our internal layers of the earth are very hard. So we will enter the water into the earth and the water gets heated and it will turn to steam. And we will collect the heated water, means steam, and it will send it to geothermal plants. Then we will convert heat energy to electrical energy.
Next, solar energy. The plant is made up of solar panels, which is made up of solar cells. The solar cells work on electric light phenomena. They absorb the sun rays, light rays, and they convert the light rays into electrical energy. We can use it or we can store it in transformers. Next, hydel energy. When waters fall on a certain height, the turbines will rotate, which are connected to the dynamo. When the turbines rotate, they create mechanical energy. The dynamo which is connected to the turbines will also rotate and it converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. We can use it while we are using at the same time the water irrigation. We use borewell water. We have nowadays we using the water for irrigation directly. Then we have to implement a hydel plant. First we have to use the water for electricity and at the same time we have to use the same water to agriculture. By this we can use the water for irrigation and at the same time we can produce electricity.
During this project we conclude that save the non-renewable resources because they are getting exhausted. In our future generations they are not available non-renewable resources. So we have to use renewable resources. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Nice.